Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you hear any scratching noises, that's Stella in her enclosure, our bearded dragon. She is in a bit of a playful mood. So, as per the title, this is June's Boxycharm. Sorry it's so late. We've had quite an eventful month and a half. There's been a lot going on. So that being said, open this again. With each product, I'm gonna put down the prices and whether or not it was a choice item or not, because honestly I do not remember. Okay, so the first item is these blending sponges. This is from the Flawless Coverage. Nice. Could never have too many beauty sponges. And this product I'm actually going to pass on because it does contain talc, but it's from Beauty Bakery. And it looks like a bronzer, contour, and highlight trio. It's called a Lemon Bar Face Palette. The next product is this. This is a face cleanser. This is from Symbiosis London. I butchered the name, I'm sure of it. And this is a white peony papain complex enlightening and exfoliating cleansing gel. So I'm actually running low on my cleanser, so this will be next in my rotation. Okay. Then we got this from Elusive Beauty in the shade Nudie Pink. This is a lipstick. I think it's like a soft matte. Okay, listen. It's magnetic closure. Okay. Definitely is a nudie pink. Okay, that's nice. Then we have this product from Il Makiage, which I'm trying to see if this contains talc. Does this contain talc? Yes, this does. So I will be passing this along. But this is a eyeshadow quad. Ooh, this looks really pretty though. Ooh. Let me put it away before I break it and shatter it. It can't pass it along. The packaging is very heavy, like very luxe feeling. And then I think the star of the show was this, which is the beauty boost for this month, which is the Natasha Denona Retro Glam Palette. Unfortunately, there are a handful of the shades that do contain talc, but I'm just going to tape over them and use the rest of the palette because I love Natasha Denona's formula. And this palette literally just came out like shortly after the holidays, so it's not that old at all. So this is nice. Look at how pretty. I absolutely love her mattes. So I know for a fact her mattes are always talc free. I think it's just the shimmers on it, but again, I'll look through the ingredients list. But like I said, this is a keep. And look at the outer packaging. Oh, I like it a lot. So that was this month's box. I feel like last month's was way better, but then again, it was also, was it Luxe month? I think. I'm not sure, but in which case, I feel like last month's was definitely better. I'm not mad at this month's. I will use the Natasha Denona palette. Like I said, I'll just take over the shades. I will use the beauty sponges, and I will use the cleanser. And the lipstick will definitely get used out of. The only thing that I'm going to be passing along will be two products, which was the quad eyeshadow palette and this little face palette from Beauty Bakery. So all in all, I say it was a win. And again, not my favorite box, but it was a good box overall. If you guys are interested in this eyeshadow look, I created it using the new Anastasia Cosmos palette, which I believe will be the next video up. So if you're interested in seeing me struggle a bit, because these shades are not what they appear to be in the pan. They are duochrome. Swatch before you use, be advised. But I feel like it kind of pulled together. This is obviously not something I would wear on the day-to-day, but I mean, it was fun. It's fun looking, and this definitely was a process to get here. But if you're interested, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good one. Bye.